In this video, I will show you how you can open a brokerage account for auto trading with AutoShares in less than 10 minutes. Go to AutoShares.com, then click at the top on Open Account, and put in your desired username, email address, and password to create your profile, which is necessary to start the application. This username and password will also be your login after you have your account application approved. Then click Start a new application, and this will open the first page of the application process. Select the account that you would like to open. It's for most clients an individual account. Some clients also trade their IRA or company accounts. Let's go ahead with an individual account. Then we need a margin account to trade SPY. SPX can be traded in a cash account. So select that, and yes, we will trade options. As options level, we need to select level 3 to trade spreads. And auto traders select self-directed automated trading here. If you like to enter your trades manually, then select self-directed trading and press next. Here you would need to enter your personal information. This is all pretty standard. Then add a trusted contact at the bottom, which could be your partner or any other family member. Then we click Next and we get to the investment profile. To be able to trade our strategies, you would need to show that you have experience in options trading. The brokerage will not check this information further. Your risk tolerance should be high, and we are looking for a short time horizon. The next page is your employment profile. Please fill this in. Then we get to the affiliations page. Check the answers, but usually everybody can leave it as it is. Next is account setup. You want to select the same as I show you on the screen. Have auto trading execution on Yes if you are an auto. Then you would need to upload your passport or driver's license. Agree with the terms and conditions and give a digital signature. Then your application is already completed. If you go back to your account page, you should see that your application is in process. Give AutoShares about 2 weeks to give you the approval. As I said, very easy, you should be done with this application within 10 minutes. Then after your approval, you can log in with your details and click on the top at Autotrade to set your allocation. Click on Add Automation Request. Select SPY or SPX Weekly Trend. Select Options and set your allocation. Agree to the terms and conditions, and that's it. If you are a client with us, we will confirm your subscription and you are ready to auto trade our services. If you do not have a subscription yet, go to advancedautotrades.com and subscribe to your desired service.